these done. $16, $10, $5.50. I think this was $20. Pretty expensive at Kmart, but you do get 5 things in it. Let's open it up and have a little look. Next up I have some glass canisters that I picked up from Kmart for Freddie's food, his dry biscuits and his treats. Previously when I've purchased these from Kmart, they haven't been wrapped in plastic, so you've been able to test how well the lid seals, how airtight it is. The small one, it was great, very airtight, happy with that. The larger one, not so happy, it was not a very good airtight seal, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that for Freddie's biscuits because obviously you want a good airtight seal to make his biscuits last longer. Not sure I would recommend these from Kmart. I've had my current cleaning caddy, which I picked up from Kmart, for 10 years now. So when I saw this in the new release section at Kmart, I thought it would be good to pick up, one, for a cleaning caddy, but two, because the containers that are included in this are quite shallow, and there is a spot in my kitchen where I particularly wanted to put cleaning cloths and tea towels. So I picked these up to give it a go, and although it's not 100% great, as you'll see at the end, for cleaning caddy, I do like the look of them. They are pretty sturdy, they're easy to clean, and great for the kitchen because while I was thinking initially of getting a wicker basket, I don't like that in wet areas because I've had issues with mold previously. So I think these will work great for where I'm going to use them in our tiny house kitchen. One of the things I really didn't like when we moved into this house was the kitchen finishes and fixtures. It was pretty beaten up by previous tenants, and I had these ugly silver, super basic, just builder standard handles. And here is what they looked like before. So they're just like really scuffed up. And because they're scuffed up, they just look dirty. I saw some handles on sale at Kmart for $5 a packet of 2, so $2.50 each. And I thought, since they are so cheap, it is well worth giving it a go and just switching out all of the cabinet handles. I also picked up some paint just to do some touch-ups, and it is incredibly amazing how such a small act of just doing a little bit of paint touch-up and replacing the cabinet handles can just change the entire look and feel of the kitchen. If you are a renter and your kitchen cabinets are looking a little bit knocked up, you can just grab a tin of touch-up paint cheaply from the hardware store and look at changing out the handles. You can get them on sale inexpensively at places like Kmart, Target, or at Bunnings. Look on Amazon. And I'm telling you, the difference that you can achieve with such little effort and such a low cost, you will just be astounded. It makes your kitchen look a million times better. Trust me, it's definitely worth giving it a go. Up doing with this low tray, I just put all of my vitamins and supplements. So, yep, pretty good. Cleaning caddy, not 100% great because it's not super strong and it doesn't hold the weight, but I mean, it kind of looks a little bit cute. It keeps it all contained. It is good because it stops you from overbuying cleaning products. So if you wanted to just keep a little collection, I think that's good. So I keep buying cleaning products before I use up what I've got. So I need to just use up this. So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing some updates that I have made to our tiny home since we've moved in. If you did enjoy it, leave a like or a comment. The next video that I'm planning on making is another update to our tiny home. I have done another transformation of our outdoor balcony area. We have a huge balcony, well, it's a pretty big balcony for an apartment, especially for the size of the apartment, but it was ugly tiles and it had lots of like dark stains all over the tiles. So I did a makeover with IKEA run-in decking tiles, which I've done twice before. I loved it so much, did it again. But there are a few other improvements that I want to make to the outdoor area. I wanted to get some privacy screens just to screen off the air conditioning unit. It's a bit of an eyesore and you can see it from when you're sitting on the lounge inside the house. So that's the next video that I've got planned. So if you did enjoy today's video and you're interested in seeing that, be sure to leave a like or a comment. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.